If you've been thinking about ways to boost your income or create financial freedom, you're in the right place. Whether you're saving for something meaningful, breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle, or simply wanting to build something of your own, a side hustle can be a game changer. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 beginner-friendly side hustles that you can start right now, even if you have no prior experience. For each side hustle, I'll give important information you need to get started, and I'll also include helpful tips throughout the video. So stick around till the end so that you don't miss out on anything. If you're new here, kindly take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. The first side hustle on the list is selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to create passive income streams. Even if you're new to the make money online space, digital products are the perfect entry point. A great thing about selling digital products is that you create them once and can sell them over and over again. The only thing you'll need to do occasionally is update the products, and even then, it doesn't have to be all of them. It depends on the type of digital products you're selling. Another great thing about selling digital products is that there's no inventory and no shipping involved. When I say digital products, it doesn't have to be limited to planners and journals. It can also include guides, ebooks, templates, or courses. For example, let's say you create an ebook and price it at $50. If you sell 100 copies in a month, that's $5,000 in revenue from a product you created once. It continues to generate passive income, even when you're not actively working. The tools you'll need to create your product will depend on the type of digital product you want to make. For designing, you can use Canva. If you're creating a video course, you can record your content and edit it using CapCut. Still, you can use HeyGen and ElevenLabs when creating your video course, especially if you don't want to be on camera. HeyGen can help you create professional quality videos with AI avatars, while ElevenLabs can be used to create voiceovers for your videos. I've done a short tutorial on how to use both of these AI tools, so you can watch it next after this video. The link will be in the description. Additionally, for all the tools I've mentioned, you'll find links to access them in the description as well. Once your digital product is ready, list it for sale on platforms like Gumroad, StanStore, or even your own website. Then, promote it on social media because marketing your product is essential for making sales. Next, we have freelancing. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start earning. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, social media management, or video editing, there's a market for them. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your expertise. I've freelanced on Fiverr before, and I can say it was a great side hustle experience. It was also an eye-opener because I realized that even a skill you think is simple, or something you believe nobody will care about or need help with, can surprisingly generate good income to cover extra bills. If you feel like this is something you can do, then just go ahead and try it. You never know unless you try. On Fiverr, for example, start by searching as if you're a client looking for a service. This will help you determine if your service is in demand and see how others are offering it as a gig. While searching, Fiverr will also suggest additional services people are looking for based on your input. Here's a helpful tip. When getting started, specialize in a niche. For example, instead of offering general video editing, focus on creating TikTok ads or Instagram Reels. Specialization helps you stand out and increases your chances of attracting clients. Some services have high search results, and since you're offering a new gig, you might not appear on the first, second, or even third pages. This happens because top sellers with established ratings dominate those pages. As a result, your gig may take longer to gain visibility and be pushed by the algorithm. If you'd like me to create a detailed video about making money on Fiverr, essentially freelancing on the platform, where I also share more about my experience, kindly let me know in the comments. The next side hustle is Instagram theme pages. Instagram is more than just a social media platform where people scroll for entertainment. It's a business tool if you know how to use it the right way. By starting a theme page, you can build an audience around a specific niche, such as motivational quotes, travel tips, or health and fitness. Once you have an engaged following, you can monetize your page by selling shoutouts, promoting affiliate products, or even launching your own digital products. For example, a theme page with 50,000 followers can earn $50 to $150 per shoutout. With multiple collaborations, this can quickly add up to $500 or more per month. As your audience grows, so do your earning opportunities. Having a content strategy and maintaining consistency is key to growing successful theme pages. Before I move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, kindly leave a like. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you're finding this content helpful. Affiliate marketing is another great side hustle. It allows you to earn commissions by recommending products or services. When someone uses your referral link to make a purchase, you get paid. It's simple, but it works best if you already have a platform like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. For instance, if you promote a $100 product with a 10% commission rate and sell 30 items in a month, that's $300 in earnings. As you grow, promote more products, and attract more people to purchase through your link, your potential income can increase significantly. Start by choosing a niche. If you love tech gadgets, promote them. Or if you're into fitness, share workout gear or supplements. The earning potential in affiliate marketing is impressive if you scale it with multiple products and platforms. It might grow from a small side hustle into a full-time income stream. The key is to focus on products or services you genuinely believe in. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. Keep that in mind. Next, we have print on demand. If you love designing or being creative, print on demand could be your perfect match. Here's how it works. You create a design and upload it to print on demand platforms like Teespring or Printful. Then, they handle everything from printing to shipping. All you need to focus on is creating and marketing your designs. Let's say you price your t-shirts at $28, and for each t-shirt, you'll earn a $7 profit. If you manage to sell 30 a month, that's $210 for one design. This means if you have 7 more designs that are doing well, you could easily scale to $1,000 or more per month. Here's a helpful tip. Focus on a niche, whether it's pet lovers or fitness enthusiasts. Narrowing down your audience makes it easier for you, especially when you're starting out, to identify what works best and how to grow your business. I've also done a video tutorial on how to start a print-on-demand business, so you can watch it as well. I'll leave the link in the description. And there you have it. 5 actionable side hustles you can start today. Whether you're looking to make a little extra or build a long-term income stream, the key is to take the first step and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.